Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy braided updo. To start, I've left a few pieces of hair out around the hairline to soften the look. Next, we're going to section off the top of the hair from the end of the eyebrows on both sides. Bring this around to the middle of the back of the head and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Make a hole with a couple of fingers behind that elastic band and pass that little ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through the hole so you create a small twist. Apply some texture spray. I'll leave the one I'm using in the description box below for you. And then just gently pinch and pull around the hair at the crown. Next, pinch and pull at the hair along those twists. And then just secure everything in place with a little bit of hairspray. Clip that small ponytail up and out of the way for now, and then we're just going to divide the remaining hair in half. Okay, starting on that right hand side, we're just going to do a rope braid. To do this, we just split the hair in half, twist both halves to the left hand side, and then all we're going to do is cross the left strand over the right strand. And continue braiding until you reach the bottom of the hair and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then just repeat this on the left hand side of the head. Release that little ponytail down and we're going to create one more rope braid. Add a bit more texture spray to those 3 rope braids, and then all we're going to do is use our finger and thumb to gently pinch and pull at the edge of each of those sections to make it nice and voluminous. Repeat this on all 3 braids. Okay, so starting on that right hand braid, we're going to take hold of it and bring it over to the left hand side. Be sure to tuck your ends underneath the braid so you can't see them. Hold it to the head and pin using as many bobby pins as needed. Next, lift up the right hand side of that so it's horizontal and again secure with a few bobby pins. Next, take the left hand braid, bring it over to the right hand side, tuck the ends under, and then just pin it up against that last section using a bobby pin or 2. Then just push up the left hand side and secure this to the head with a couple of bobby pins. For that last braid, all we're going to do is roll those ends under and then stretch it out so it covers the nape of the neck, and then just pin it on the right and left hand side using as many bobby pins as needed. Spend a few minutes just pinching and pulling at any sections that look a little bit flat and secure them in place with some more hairspray. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.